Well, it won't be long before my nice clear driveway is destroyed by the city plow. It's only taken 4 hours. And that'll be falling down soon too, all over my nice clean front stoop. Cleared it out to put the garbage out, but of course they won't be picking that up for God knows how long. It's about 5 feet tall. Good luck. It's a mess. A huge, huge mess. Yeah, whatever she said. This is insane. And more than likely why I won't be at work tomorrow. Because once I put this camera down, I don't think I'll be able to lift my arms again. Oh boy. Alrighty. See ya from Fresh Meadow.